Can you add AdSense in Google Sites? You cannot add AdSense to your Google Sites. If you find a way to connect it somehow to your Google site, you may risk your account being snagged. If you try embedded the HTML link of the ad to the site, it would not come up. Begin with Blogger. Blogger. You can connect AdSense to your Blogger though, but first you must meet some requirements. You can't just start a blog and insert ads on it. It takes some diligence first. You must be 18 years of age or older to apply. Your Blogger should have proper navigation, no faulty links, easy to go to post to post. The user should be able to travel throughout the Blogger with ease. Make sure you have a main menu navigation with a navigation bar. Tag each post. Have quality content such as in length and value. The user should spend a good number of minutes on the blog post. It should be clean with no grammar mistakes. Everything should be readable and understandable and nice to look at. Tip: do put so many pictures to the point that they dominate the text. Having one or few is nice but not required. Line with terms of service. No foul play here please. Everything should meet up with proper standards. One sentence that should sum up this for you to understand is: don't have a junky blogger.